Select an active user to manage their password. Click Reset Password to email a new, temporary password. Admins are able to view the temporary password until the user logs into the portal or app. An invite may be resent to the user that has not activated their account. Note that this action will also assign a new temporary password. To manage advanced options for passwords, navigate to the Organization Setup page and click Security. Password policy options include Basic, NIST, and OWASP. Your account was first defaulted to Basic. Click to view a full description of each policy. Decide whether password should expire. By default, passwords never expire, but you can choose a number between 14 days and a year. The minimum length of characters is defaulted to the policy you have chosen. You may override this with a larger minimum of required characters. As an industry standard security best practice, the system does not allow password reuse. However, if you require the ability for users to rotate or reuse passwords, change this setting to one of the other options provided. Enable two-factor authentication for your organization so that users have an additional level of identity verification required when logging in. This is an added security for your organizational data. You may enforce this on portal users or include app users as well.